How to fix low microphone volume on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a low microphone on Windows. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check sound settings and fix it. So simply go to the bottom right corner of the screen and there you simply have to right click on the volume icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply click on sound settings. And now here, once you are inside the sound settings, simply scroll down and there you simply have to click on more sound settings. And now here, once you click on it, this will open a new window showing playback devices and recording devices. So there you simply have to click on the recording devices list and there it will show both disabled and disconnected devices, and this will ensure that your microphone is visible even if it was previously disabled. So here you simply have to select the microphone that may interfere and disable it. And with that, you simply also have to select the microphone that you want to use. And after that, you can simply click on set default. And after that, you can simply click on apply to apply the changes. And there you can simply select the microphone and there you can simply go to the properties and there you can simply click on their labels to adjust the microphone labels. You can increase the volume up to 100% and adjust it, or you can adjust as per your need. And there you can also test your microphone by simply going to the Listen tab. And here you can simply enable Listen to this device to check if Windows can hear your voice clearly. And with that, you can also adjust the advanced settings by going to the Advanced tab. And here you can change default format to the highest quality available. And after that, you can simply apply the changes by clicking on Apply. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to update the microphone drivers. So here you can simply open Google and search for your microphone drivers like Rode. My one is Array AMD microphones. And now here, once you search for it, it will show you the devices like here to simply tell you that you can simply go to the websites of your microphone and you can simply update your drivers from there. And with that, you can simply restart your device after you have updated your drivers. And this should fix the low microphone volume issue on PC. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.